Hi, this is Varun and you're watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your photos, your pictures, your images using artificial intelligence. You just have to enter your text and the AI will edit the images for you. As you can see, I have a stock image and I want to change her hair color to golden. So let's do it. So go to your web browser and log into playgroundai.com. Playgroundai.com. Then click on create, and from here import the image. I'm going to import this image and then click on add mask. I'm going to add a mask. All right. Then I'm going to enter my instruction. Make her hair golden. Then I will click generate. Here it will generate a preview of the image. As you can see, the artificial intelligence had changed her hair to golden. So let's do it again. I'll import another image, a house image, and I'll add some mask here. And I'll tell the playground AI to add some rabbits. Then I'll click generate. Okay, it has added some rabbits as you can see. So if you liked this video, please share and subscribe and support me so that I can create more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Please try this out.